Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let's Learn Hindi. I'm your friend and teacher Rekha. We have already reached at the end of the consonants of Hindi. Friends, in this video, we will learn the loan sounds from Urdu which are included in Hindi, right? So let's start the lesson. So first we divide these sounds in Hindi because some sounds already in Hindi and same sounds from Urdu also. So that is Urdu. So first sound, that is ka. Ka, that is a guttural sound, ka. And in Urdu, we have also one more, that is ka. See the difference? Ka, ka. And there is a dot, big difference. There is a dot and it is Urdu. Ka. Another one is kha. Kha. And in Urdu, this is ha. Ha. Right? This is the same category, from the same category, and this is ga. And there is a gha. Ga, gha. Ga, gha. Right? And another one is, that is ja. Ja. That is a simple, not aspirated. That is ja. But Urdu is, in English we said Z. Z. So it is Z sound. So Z. Z. Ja. Z. Ja. Z. And last sound, that is pha. Pha. Or you can say this one is pha. Pha. And this one is with dot underneath. This is fa. Fa. See the difference? Pha, pha, and this is fa, fa. So friends, I hope you understand the difference of Hindi and Urdu sounds. Formation is almost same except dot underneath. Other is the same, but pronunciation wise it is different. Friends, if you have any query and question related to the script, please write us or comment us and subscribe our channel. Share this channel with your friends and family members and press the notification bell also for the new videos. And also you can visit our website The Lingua India for more information and classes. Thank you.